he's not. He's 17. Y'all are retarded.
16.
I'm gonna keep my hand up just in case, you know. And everyone else steals my idea.
Anyway, what was your question? Most embarrassing thing that has happened to you. You want to say? Okay, so I was being a little cocky, and I stood in my drum set, and I fell.
Aww.
You know, I didn't fall hard. I was like, yo, what's up? I was like, psych, I'm just kidding. Yeah.
Tell them about the time when we were doing Heard It on the Radio, and you kept trying to get the mic to.
Oh yeah. So yeah, I was trying to sing on Heard It on the Radio.
He would really hold his mic. And then he would go to sing and he would turn around.
It was haunted. I have a haunted microphone.
The way it's like hooked up back there, you look at it, it's like upside down and like.
It is.
Yeah, it's interesting.
Alright, next question.
Rocky.
Go like, I like these jumpers also,
You don't-
right? The jumper on this side.
I was jumping first. I was jumping before I got here.
That's
Aww.
of course. When's the wedding?
He's looking over here.
Tomorrow. Oh wow.
Guys, you can't rush these things.
Oh, good catch. That was good. Oh, my legs hurt. Hurry up.
Date for 4 years.
4 years. Oh wow.
And then,
All right, next question. Let's go over here. You right there with the R5 shirt. Yes.
Which one?
What's the best part about being in a band?
What is the
That
best
makes me
part
so
about
mad.
being in a band? My favorite part is being able to perform with these crazy kids for all of you guys.
That's so cute.
I have a question, please.
I'm the only kid still in the band.
That's true. The rest of us are adults.
That's okay.
At the end of the year, I will be one. That's okay.
We're all right.
don't worry, Ross. It'll come, bro.
It's good. You with the art furniture.
Are you quoting lyrics?
I should be like this. I should be like
Ross!
Rise! Jump. Shut up. No, I don't feel like it. Please. I am killing myself.